Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the due date to a task in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we have to go into a project. Then we have to find the task that we want to add the due date to. And next to the task, if you scroll to the right, we can find due date. We can tap on it and then set the date that we want to have the task completed by. And let's say we want to have the task completed by April 17th. We just tap on the date, tap on done, and then it's going to appear that the task has a due date of April 17th. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.